Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup ramen noodles easily. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, from your favorite instant ramen to fresh, vibrant vegetables and eggs. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps of preparing your toppings, ensuring everything is ready for a quick assembly. Finally, we'll get that water boiling and cook those noodles to perfection, creating a satisfying meal in minutes. Now that your prep is done, let's get cooking. First, bring about 2½ cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, carefully add your ramen noodles to the water. Cook them for exactly 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to separate the strands. Finally, stir in the seasoning packet and any oil or flavorings that came with your ramen, creating that savory broth base. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy ramen guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick cooking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine enjoying your delicious ramen while diving into a great book. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for endless stories. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your noodles and broth ready, it's time for the fun part. Assembly. Carefully pour the hot ramen and its flavorful broth into your favorite large serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange all your delicious, prepared toppings over the noodles. Think about color and texture for a visually appealing dish. A soft-boiled egg, some crisp greens, and perhaps a slice of meat. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chopped green onions or cilantro for extra flavor and freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.